Hey, Bob. Come on. Come on, you want some chicky? Hi.
Oh,
Come on, little puppy. Oh, there they come. Come on. There's rotisserie chicken in the hatch.
Hi. Oh, come here. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on. Hi. Come on, we got food for you.
Oh my God, they're so cute.
Who's hungry?
Hi, come here. Oh, come here.
There's one right behind you, Charisse. Charisse.
Hi.
Got one.
Come here, baby. Hi.
Look at them.
Hi. Come on.
They're hungry.
Oh, look what I got over here.
We got one.
Look what I got.
Come on. Hi. Hi, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come here.
Come on. Bring it right over. They're fine. They're friendly.
Yeah.
They're sweet.
Look what I got.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sharice, Carol, we need a leash.
Hang on.
Oh, Carol, are you kidding?
Here, baby. Oh, that is adorable. Look at that little brindle puppy. You got it. Here. Here. Piece of chicken. Here, mommy. Alright. Okay, look what Gabby's got. Come here, guys. What's a piece of chicken? Can I get a piece of chicken?
Let's just sit down. Yeah. Come on, babies. Mmm. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
We got 7 of the brown ones.
7? What are these?
I don't know. Here they come.
So there's more than 7.
Kathy's got the mama.
Babe, why would you throw the bones and everything?
I didn't. It fell on the ground.
He's eating the bones.
Okay, it fell on the ground. I don't know what you want him to do here.
He's eating the bones.
Okay.
He's eating the bone.
Get the bone from him. It'll splinter. Look,
Great.
you want it? I'll let you have it.
No. He's got a bone in his mouth.
I know. Oh, these won't come? No. Come on, baby.
And one has a chicken bone in his mouth.
Come here. It fell off of the chicken, baby. Where'd you go?
Here's one right here.
Amy, you've got a wasp circling. Now it's back.
It's all black. There's chicken over here too, guys. Hey! Who's that, the mommy?
Oh my God, you got him?
Yeah, but there's 2 more puppies that we can't get.
One more. I have 6.
No, there's 2 back here.
Oh, different.
Black and brindle
Black and
puppies.
brindle, I thought.
Really?
Yep,
Gotta be mommy.
I wonder who they belong to.
her. Hey guys! How many we got? 6 puppies? 6?
So there's 6 and then there's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Oh my goodness.
Oh, be careful.
Wait! Guys, there's a dog over here. Oh my God. That's the mother.
Oh.
This is the mother. Oh, and there's another one. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Then right here. Oh my goodness. They're everywhere.
Shut your alarm. What's that noise? Why is the baby?
I don't know. There's something going on. The mom is gonna.
Oh, you got it?
Help her. What happened?
Got it. She was just scared, stuff.
Guys, did you see that a boxer, American, whatever?
Right there.
That's the mother. She has nipples.
The mom. I know. She's the mom to this one. I think, and the black one.
She's over there.
Where's he going?
Huh?
Where's he going?
I don't know. There's. Margot, you have a kennel in your car.
I have one.
I didn't expect this many dogs, guys.
Did we ever? Did the black one run off?
What's under there? A black one?
Black one.
The black one's under here. She's protecting them.
Yeah, keep an eye on her because she's pissed because she heard him.
Kathy has 2 big dogs. Mommy and another. Amy. It's okay. Oh, this is hell. This is hell. Can you see him?
This way, but get out that way. You can get out this way.
He's in the worst possible spot.
Yep. Great.
Like back off a little bit. Let him.
Yeah, I think we're scaring him more.
Do you have some chicken you can throw me? Right here. Hold on. Right there. Right there.
Sick.
Where's the mama?
This is the mother right here.
The black one, too?
Of
Yeah,
the puppies.
it's 6. Yeah, and one was black.
We,
We have 7 in there. 8.
we
You
can't
had
catch.
8?
And there's one under.
We can't catch the. There's one more
No.
puppy we can't catch yet. It's under the wood.
No.
Yeah. Maria, this is the dog that just appeared. She never saw
I
emaciated.
didn't know that dog was here.
Hi, baby.
He called me. He told me there's one brown dog with 7 puppies.
2 eye
6
infections.
brown and a black one.
We got 7.
Let's get her out of the heat. Let's get her some water. She's emaciated.
And a black one.
And a brindle.
We can't catch.
Oh, it's the black one. Oh,
That's
okay.
the mommy. Let's bring the
This
mom.
dog is emaciated.
I'm getting her more food.
Food and water. Let's go. Come on, Mama.
Maybe
Come
if we bring
on.
mommy over
Yeah.
there, she'll come out.
Come on. I don't know how to handle